Welcome back everybody, thank you for watching another video. So today we're going to have a look at an item that is very useful for medical purposes around the house. And if you're outdoor camping or hiking or doing anything outdoors with any type of activity, you should definitely think about having it. And it's not just regular medical tape, it's not kinesiology tape, it is Leuko tape. And as always guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase a roll of Leuko tape, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, there's a close-up right in there for the spelling. So this is Leuko tape. Now the main difference between this and regular medical tape or kinesiology tape is, number one, it's not stretchy, it's not very elastic, it's pretty hard. And the second thing is, it is ridiculously sticky. So what you want to use this for, or what I've used it for, is to prevent blisters. So if you know you're going to be hiking or running or outdoors, you're going to put this in the areas where you think you're going to have a hot spot to prevent blistering. And I'm telling you guys right now, this is so sticky, it's going to stay on your foot for days. And because it's made out of fabric, it's very breathable. Now, if you do get a blister, you can use it to cover the blister, but just kind of be a little bit careful, just depending on how bad the blister is. If you peel this off, it might take the blister with you. But this right here is incredibly tacky and incredibly breathable, and it's not going to move around. So this is excellent for blister prevention. Not only does Leuko tape stick extremely well to skin, but it also bonds extremely well to cloth. So I also use it for fixing or repairing the back half of your shoes, because everybody has this happen. The heel right here tends to peel off, and you don't have a way of getting it to stick in there. So for me right now, this boot right here, every time I try to slip my heel in there, it catches on that lip. But all you got to do is take a strip of this, put it in there, and it's going to stay in there for months. Alright, so I'm just going to peel off a piece of it here. Maybe about that long. Give you guys a look at what that looks like. Alright. Alright, gonna just try to fit it in this way, right around that area. There we go. Here's a look at the repair. See how it just kind of molds right around there? And that should stay in there for a few months. And when I got to put it back in there, I'll just do the same thing. But now my heel can just slip right on in there. Well, alright guys, there's a couple of uses for Leuko tape. Definitely better for blister prevention than moleskin or using regular medical tape. It's so sticky, it's not going to move around, and it's breathable, made out of cloth, and oddly enough, is very good for simple shoe repairs. Well, alright guys, that's the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase a roll of Leuko tape, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.